So hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to sign in or use your Microsoft account or basically create a Microsoft account to log into any platforms on Minecraft. The first thing you want to do right here is make sure your system requirement meets the necessary requirement. To do that one, just type in your computer, dxdi, should be this one right there. Click OK, click on yes, and this will be it. You're gonna see the requirement of all your PC, from sound to display all the way to the input. And I think the minimum is 16 gig RAM, and for the AMD version that would be Ryzen 3 and above. Moving forward, I'm just gonna launch my Minecraft right here, perfectly right there, and wait for it to log in. I got this one on my previous video, by the way. I'm gonna teach you how to get this one, so please check it out. So you're gonna see up front that you're gonna have a sign in with Microsoft or sign up with another way. If you're using a Mojang account, click this one right there and basically have your fun with it. So since this is gonna be up front, click sign in with Microsoft right here and it will redirect you to your Microsoft account. After that one, just create your Microsoft account using your name, your active Gmail. Please note guys that you need your active Gmail on this one. Alright? After that one, just move forward, create your OTP, and right now, you're gonna sign in. As you can see right here, it has signed me in. Just simply click on let's go, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.